your AirPods Max are not resetting, like it is not changing color to blinking white or red. Many users are facing this problem, and it can happen due to lack of charge, software glitch, and even hardware problems. In this video, we will show you some easy ways to fix AirPods Max not resetting. You need to make sure your AirPods Max have at least 50% charge. If it is less than 50%, according to Apple, it won't reset. Next, you need to check the digital crown and noise cancellation button. Make sure they are not stuck due to any dust or dirt particles. If they are, it can cause the problem. Take a brush and simply clean the buttons. When the buttons are clickable again, try to reset your AirPods Max and it can fix the issue. When you connect your AirPods to an Apple device like iPhone, it gets attached to your iCloud account, and due to that, it might not reset. So you can simply forget the AirPods Max from the iPhone, then try to reset it and it can fix the issue. Open Settings, tap AirPods Max, scroll down, tap Forget this device, again tap Forget this device, and now try to reset your AirPods Max. It should fix the issue. If it also does not fix your problem, then simply plug it to charge. Then try to reset your AirPods Max. It might fix your problem. If nothing else works and you are not able to reset your AirPods Max, it can be a hardware problem and you need to take it to Apple Service Center. So guys, these are the ways you can easily fix AirPods Max not resetting. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.